So, Agnimitra, can you just ensure that you can hear me and I can hear you?
Yes.
Yes. I hope the screen is also visible to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. You can maybe reduce the audio. Yeah. So my name is Pradeev. I'm doing my second year PhD in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in IIT Madras. I'm one of the TA for this course, NPTEL course on thermodynamics, which is handled by Professor T.N.C. Anand. So today is week 0. Today's date is 25 July, and we will solve some problems taken from the week 0 assignment from the course, and this is a second problem given in the assignment. So the problem is that we need to find the area under the curve of f of x equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 9 between the limits x equal to 1 and 3. And so the curve is a kind of parabola. If we plot the curve, it will be something like this, and we need to find the area under the curve, area under this curve between x equal to 1 and 3. So for this, assuming a small strip in between where this length is given by dx and height is given by y, we assume within the small strip the value of y is constant, so the height is constant, so we get this area of this small strip as dx into y. So uh, so I say differential area del A is y into dx, which is y is given by 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Now if I want to have the entire area from area under the curve from x equal to 1 and 1 to 3, I integrate this expression, sorry, here it is dx, and I integrate this expression 3x square plus 6x plus 9 into dx between 1 and 3. Now if I can integrate them individually, these terms individually. So when I integrate 3x square, I get 3x cubed by 3. Integrating 6x, I would get 6x square by 2 and 9x. This has to be within the limits 3 to 1. Now area, we can cancel the 3 and 3 here, 6 and 2 get cancelled, and we have 3x square. So we have x cube plus 3x square plus 9x in the limits 1 to 3. Apply in upper limits 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 minus the lower limit 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 9. We have for the upper limits we have 27 plus 27 plus 27 minus 1 plus 3 plus 9. So 3 27s are 81, and this becomes 13, and we will have can anyone type in the chat box? Yeah, the answer is 68. So we have the option here, third option. Do anyone have any questions in this problem? Anish or Abhinata?
No.
Okay, then moving on to the next problem. We have mass of 3000 moles or gram mole of carbon dioxide is approximately how much kg. So we know 1 gram mole of carbon dioxide is its molecular weight of grams. So that means to calculate the molecular weight, we sum up the individual atomic weights. So we have 12 as atomic weight of carbon plus 2 into 16, which is atomic weight of oxygen, and this gives us 44 grams. So 1 gram mole of carbon dioxide weighs 44 gram. Now we have 3000 moles, which will weigh 3000 into 44 gram. So otherwise it is 3 into 44 kg. This is 132 kg. So we have it as second option. I think this is fairly simple. Still, if you have any questions, you are free to ask. Moving on to the next problem. We have z is equal to x comma y. Z is a function of x and y, which is given by 10x square plus x y minus y square. Which of the following represents the total differential of z? So to write that total differential, we write dz is equal to, since it is a function of two variables x and y, we have dou z plus dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. Now differentiating z partially with respect to x, we have I will write the expression here, 10x square plus xy minus y square dx plus 10x square plus x. So differentiating this expression with respect to x, we have 20x plus y, and this term will become 0. We have into dx plus differentiating 10x square with respect to partially with respect to y, we get 0, and differentiating this with respect to y, we get x, and here we have minus y into dy. So we have dz is equal to 20x dx plus y dx plus x dy minus y dy equal to okay, this y dy and positive y dy and x dy get cancelled. So we have 20x dx plus x dy. Oh, sorry. This is y dx and this is sorry. This cannot be get cancelled. We have 20x dx plus y plus x. Can we say that this is something of this form? Yeah, I think the first one. So dz equal to 20x dx plus x dy plus y dx minus y dy. Yeah, I think I missed this square here. Sorry. So first option is the right one. Do anyone have questions? So now we have the last problem for the day, to find the magnitude of area under the curve ABCD shown in the following figure. If x is 3, x1 is 3, x2 is 4, x3 is 10, x4 is 11, y1 is 4, y2 is 7. So this can be solved in two ways. So in first way, assume we can take this to be a rectangle, and we can solve, we can find the area of this portion, and then we can take the area of this triangle, and then area of this triangle, and then the remaining area of this rectangle. Or in other case, we can find the equation of this line AB and equation of line CD and BC, and then we will have three integral which has to be summed up. So earlier we saw how to find the area under the curve. Now we have three curves together. We can have the appropriate limits, and we can sum up these three area under the curve differently, and so on. So I will now solve the first method. Now assuming this to be area 1, and this to be area 2, this is area 3, area 4, starting with area 1. Area 1 is you can say x4 minus x1 into y1. So that is x4 is 11 minus x1 is 3 into y1 is 4. So we have 8 into 4 is 8 4s are 32. Now area 2, we have half into x2 minus x1 for this bottom side, the length of the bottom side, and then we have y2 minus y1. So this is half into x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 3, and y2 minus y1 is 7 minus 4. So we have 1 into 3, so we have 3 by 2. So that is area 2, and now we have area 3, which is also the same. So area 3 is also 3 by 2. For area 4, we have x3 minus x2 into y2 minus y1. So we have x3 as 10, x2 is 4, y2 is 7 minus 4. So we have 6 into 3, which is 18. So total area is all the area 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We have 32 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 18. So we have 32 plus 3, 35, 35 plus 18, 353. So this is second option. I hope this is clear. This alone I will make some changes and I will upload differently. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can close the session. Anish, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you then. We'll see you in the next